Today we will make soya chilli recipe or Manchurian recipe. Boil 2 cups water in a vessel with half tablespoon salt. Mix the salted boiling water in soya balls. Close the lid for 5 minutes. In another vessel, take 3 tablespoons maida, add 2 tablespoons corn flour, add half a tablespoon cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd. Mix it well. Now filter out all the water from soya balls. Press gently to remove excess water from the soya. Now add soya to the flour. Add half tablespoon of salt. Mix them well. Now fry the soya in oil till light golden brown in color. Keep the fried soya on a tissue paper to cool down. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add thinly chopped garlic and fry. Add chopped green chillies and fry. Now add chopped big slices of onion and fry for 5 minutes. Add big slices of tomato. Add roughly chopped capsicum. Fry on a high flame for 10 minutes. Now add half tablespoon of salt. Add 2 tablespoons dark soya sauce. Add 2 tablespoons green chili sauce. Add 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Fry for 5 minutes. Now add fried soya to the vegetable. Add 1 cup corn flour slurry. Mix well for 5 minutes and turn off the gas. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video. And subscribe Pam's Kitchen for more delicious recipes.